This video is going to demonstrate letting down a pallet in SAP Business One using Agility 360's Pallet Letdown application on a mobile device. First, we're going to start by looking at our pallet in our Agility Explorer grid. For Agility Explorer, we have an inventory pallet view grid that allows you to see all of the pallets and cartons currently in your warehouse. We're going to scan our pallet number in, 9670, and as you can see, it has item A00001 on it with a quantity of 7 sitting in bin 05D. Now if we jump over to SAP here, we are going to see that that item, if you look at your bin location content list, currently has 1,382 sitting in that bin 05D. So what we're going to do is we're going to let down that pallet to a new bin 05A2S4L2, which currently does not exist for this item. This item is not in that bin, so that will decrease bin 05D by 7. So that will bring the quantity down to 1,375. It will add a new bin to the list, increasing the list to 13, and that new bin will have a quantity of 7 in it. That will also cause our pallet to leave this grid and no longer exist. Now we're going to bring up our Agility 360 mobile emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. We're going to go to our distribution menu and switch over to pallets. And now we're going to select our pallet letdown application. And we're simply going to start by scanning in that pallet 9670. And now we're going to scan the bin we're going to let it down to 05A2S4L2. Now that transaction's taken place, we'll jump over to our Agility grid here and refresh. And now you will see that pallet no longer exists in the system. Even if we back it out of our search, we'll see if we go down the list, it jumps from 7.1 to 6.9. There's no longer a 7.0. Now we can bring up SAP Business One here, go to our bin location content list, and we will see that 05D has now decreased by 7 to that 1,375. And we have a new bin in here. It increased to 13. And our 05A2S4L2 will now have a quantity of 7. And that pallet has been let down in the SAP system. Thank you for watching.